It's morning time. I had a good sleep. Oh, the Easter Bunny's come! It's Easter! I forgot! Quick, open the curtains. Let's see. Oh, what has he brought me? Oh, it's no chocolate. Oh, what's this? Looks like maybe a letter. Let's open it. Okay, what does it say? Special letter from the Easter Bunny. Dear Adventurer.
Happy Easter! I've hidden some magical eggs all around your home, but finding them won't be easy. You'll have to solve some tricky challenges and complete an exciting quest before you can collect your final Easter surprise. Your first clue is waiting for you behind this letter. So hop to it, little explorer. Good luck and may your adventure be filled with fun and laughter.
Oh, here's the first clue the Easter Bunny left me. Complete the Easter puzzle to discover your next clue. Oh wow, okay. Where is the puzzle? Oh, this must be it. Okay, so I'll just put this together then to find the next clue. And the final piece right there. Perfect. Now what does it say? Head outside and find the carrot garden in the dirt and look at the carrots to find the next clue. In the garden. All right, let's go. Okay, in the garden, in the dirt. That's what the Easter Bunny said. Dirt. What's that? Yes. Okay, here we go. Oh, I think I'm on the right track. Look, Easter Bunny paw prints. Okay, so he's been here. And carrots. Yes, this is the carrot garden in the dirt. I found it. Okay, so now I have to search through the carrots to find the next clue. No, not this one. Not that one, not that one, not that one. Oh, this is tricky. Which one has the clue? Is it this? Yes, it's this. Find the bucket. Find the bucket? Where could the bucket be? Is that it? Yes, that's the bucket. Let's go. Okay, next clue. Oh, throw the water balloon eggs to find the next clue. So we must have to throw it to that target maybe? All right, let's give it a go. I'll start with the green one. All right, take aim and yeah. No clue. Okay. Next one, orange. Okay, let's see. And aim. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! No clue. Okay. Alright, next one. Which one should I... Yellow. Yes. Okay. Yellow one. Maybe this will have the clue. Oh no, missed. I went straight over. Alright, let me check it. The clue might have come out. No clue. Okay. Back to the bucket. Now we've got a blue one. Now I feel like this one might be the one. No clue. Okay, now the pink one. Has to be this one. Here we go. I might move in a little closer. Yes. Is that it? Yes, we found the clue. Use the Easter basket and find the 5 Easter eggs around the garden. Okay, Easter basket. Where would... Oh, I see it. There it is. Let's go. Okay, another print. Yes, and the basket. Okay, now 5 Easter eggs. Oh, this might be quite tricky. I think... Oh, I see one. Yes. Okay, grab it and put it in the basket. Okay, next egg. That's 1. Now we need to find number 2. Where could you be? Cheeky egg. Oh, there it is. Okay, number 2. Found you. Now, we need to find number 3. Number 3. Okay, so we know they're shiny now, so let's look for something shiny. Nothing over there. Nothing. What was that? Okay, found it. Yes. Blue, number 3. Okay. Now, 4th one. fourth one. Shiny, shiny, where could you be? What was that? Yes, the fourth one, we found it. Okay, 4. Now we have one more left in order to find the next clue. Let's see. Okay, so, well, this one might be quite tricky to find actually. I can't really see anything shiny. Oh, yes, there it is. Oh, number 5, we found it, yes. Okay, let's go have a look. Let's have a look at all the eggs and see if we can find the next clue. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, could be that one, 4, 5. Alright, 5 eggs. Let's open them up and see. Oh, that is a dinosaur. That is not a clue. Very cool, but not a clue. Alright, next one. Okay, here we go. So this one, no, another dinosaur. Oh, okay, alright. It's this one, I feel it. Oh, another dinosaur. Okay, the next one will have the clue, definitely. Let's see. Pink one. Oh, it's a Triceratops. Okay, that's not a clue. Alright, that must mean the last one has the clue. Hopefully. Let's see. Yes. The last clue. Okay, what does it say? It says, head into your lounge room. Okay, sure, let's go. Okay, I'm in my lounge room. Now, where is the... Oh my goodness, eggs, a clue, and what looks to be a maze? Oh, wow, this is awesome. Okay, what does the clue say? It says, carry each egg on a spoon and place it in the same coloured spot in order to open the golden egg. Okay, start with this pink one, put it on the spoon. All right, now I'm going to take it through the maze very carefully, not to drop it. Around the corner, around this corner. Okay, now let's find the same coloured. Okay, that's reddish, pinkish, perfect. All right, next one. Now let's do the green. Careful, careful. Into the green. All right, next one. We're gonna do yellow. Yes, okay, oh, no, not a good start. Let's try again. All right. Careful through the maze. Yes. All right, last one. We've got blue. Okay, here we go. Down the corner. Boop. All right, perfect. Now, we can open this golden egg. Okay. Oh, there's a clue. All right. It says, follow the footprints to your grand prize. Yes. Okay. Footprints. Footprints. Where? Another footprint. Yes. Okay. All right. We must have to go through these doors. Let's go. Okay. Open it. All right. There's another footprint. And another footprint. And another footprint. And another footprint. And... Oh, wow! It's my grand prize for completing the challenge. There's chocolates, there's lollies, there's bubbles. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Easter Bunny. This has been so much fun. Happy Easter, everyone. Hope you have a fantastic day.
What will we play next? Join us next time for a whole new Play Quest adventure.